Yeah, the machine is running. I want to talk to you a little bit about the fluids, some electric I did, and some connections I did. So the fluids for coolant, I use this guy connected here. I'm not happy with this, still I gotta rework it a little bit. Seating fluid, that's the guy, only one, and about 9 of these guys for the oil for classic cars. And lower the radio here. All right, and we have okay, for the back I have this mobile, that's for the transmission and this EV. And for the brake and the clutch, I use this guy. It's a .3, should be fine for right now. So what I did, after I cut the engine, get everything started, I bought this bracket for the throttle and connected the ignition and Sniper 2 here. Sniper 2 needs to pick up the negative, but the ignition, the positive, should come over here. Okay. Basically, what else? Again, this is the coolant, goes out here, come back from the bottom. Looks pretty good. For Sniper 2, so only you need probably one wire. I connected it to the relay that cranks the fuel. So when you turn it on, fuel comes on, and that's the blue wire from Sniper 2. What else I did? Also the sensors, there's 1, 2, 3 sensors. Oil pressure, temperature sensor for the meter, but this one here is important. This is for the fan. When you ground this guy, the wire here, turn on the fan. Also, I made a switch for the fan here too. You could override it, not override it, you could complement it and turn it on. And all looks good. That's about it. Connected everything. You can take a look in case I missed anything, but mainly I put this harness here, a nice harness. And the CAN bus is running nice from AFI to the meter. I got the 5-inch meter here, gauge meter, looks good. Again, this one I did it in my older videos. I did my own dashboard. Okay, it's good. So next I'll do some alignment. Hopefully within a week or two, I want to be able to drive it down the street. Don't tell anybody. It'll be wake up the neighborhood. Looks awesome. Looks really a giant. Looks high like a Jeep, but when you drop it down, it's going to be very low. It gets lower. All right. Thank you. Oh yes, regarding the batteries and the cables. So basically, connected straight alternator, one wire to the battery post. This thing creates the high ripple. It filters right there. So that's the right way of doing it. Right way of doing it also from the starter, another cable right to the batteries. So the high current, 200-300 amps, when you crank 1000 amp, a spike, cold, you crank the starter, it comes straight from the battery. That's the right way of doing it. And also I ran a nice thick cable from the battery to a master disconnect right here in the back, that thick red cable. And from there I could shut it off, and actually you could take this thing out so nobody can turn it on. Now the car completely out. Now I heard it clicking in. So I had a little USB here just in case. Okay. So that feeds the Everything here. Again, I built my own dash, so this is the blinkers. I think when everything off, only this one turn off, and maybe the headlights. And this is a big fan. All right. Hopefully these ideas, guys, will help you and documenting it for the future. Bye-bye.